He's so proud of him.
Get ready, honey. Your finger's in front of the camera.
Good job!
Here, get it again. Come on, up.
He might be just as proud of picking the ball up as he is of the puppy.
Here's a good one, Sue.
Oh, yay. Good job. He starts laughing.
He starts laughing before the dog gets it.
Oh. Hi. Nobody's clapping for him when he stands up. Yay, Benson! Teased him. I swear the reason why he loves this house is because of that dog. Papa, Papa. Can you say puppy, Benson? Oops.
Here it is. Get this one. Go for the puppy.
Oh, let me see my book for a minute. Okay. Why didn't you get it, puppy? Oh, I'll get it again.
Go to the puppy.
Oh, that was cute.